This thing right here, guys, it's a game changer. You don't have to be worried about it. Hello guys, I hope you're good. So today we're gonna be unboxing the lighting setup that I ordered from Takealot. This one here, this is the light, and this is all the information that you might need to know if you wanna order this. So it's called, I think this is the name, Very Color Pro LED 800, meaning there's 800 of these tiny lights, LED lights, and it's a professional photo and video LED light kit. So adjustable brightness and color. I don't know what this means, but yeah. So let's go ahead and just unbox it. Items, guys, which come with this light, and I also didn't expect so many things inside, but it looks like there's the light, which also has panels to control the direction in which the light, you want the light to be shown, and here's how it looks like, guys. So after unboxing this lighting kit, I'm going to unbox an accessory, I believe, which also helps in controlling your lighting situation. So it comes with 2 batteries. I'm not sure whether they last or not, but we're going to test and maybe give you an update on how long it lasts. So I think I'm gonna write it here on the screen. So it comes with 2 batteries which go into the slots at the back of the light. The batteries go into these slots here. Let's go ahead and just pop them in. Maybe they are charged. If they are charged, we're going to be able to see how bright it is from now on. So yeah, this is the switch and the light. The batteries have power. This is the bright control, and this is the color control. So it controls the white balance, which is warm color and cool color. It seems like the switch here, when it's on these 2 sticks, it's for when you use it with the charger, and when it's on this 1 stick here, it means you're using the batteries. And this here, I believe it is the charger. So I think I'll go ahead and just plug it in. So I went ahead and plugged the charger in. So here now it's on 0, which means it's off, and when I press these 2 sticks here, it turns on, and then it works. So it seems like it has 2 female screws, which is this one for when you want to place it vertically on your stand, or this one if you want to put it in a landscape. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the stand. I believe this is for attaching the light to the stand, and to screw this in, you do it like so, and so you can go ahead and attach this to your stand. The charger that I've shown you, it also plugs into this device here, and this device is also for, oh, now it seems like we're gonna have a problem, because this is not for, this is for the US sockets, and in South Africa I don't have these sockets unless you buy them, I don't know from where, but the South African electrical units, they don't use these pins. So I think I'm gonna have to put the batteries aside and just use the light with the charger. I don't remember if I showed you the charger, but yeah, this is the pin. So you can get all the information here in terms of kilowatts and all that. The stand, I don't know how stable it is, but we can set it up now. I feel like it's going to be steady if I put it on the ground, because I can feel it now. It's very rigid, so we're gonna have to just set it up. Here's how to set up this thing. At first it was like so that's how you close it, and to open it you just unscrew this thing here, so you can be able to open it up like so. And then this here is for the height control. I don't know how tall it gets. But I feel like it's quite sufficient. This rubber right here, it goes off, so you can be able to put in your light in the female screw. This is the male screw of the stand, and so you can screw this on your light panel. The light is set up now. Let me just turn it on. This is the angle of the light, so you have that. But after this I'm going to show you some things that you can attach in this point here, so you can be able to do a lot of you can be able to have a lot of control in the angle of this light and the direction. And I almost had a heart attack. So if you turn it on but your brightness is in 0, it's not going to turn on. That's what's going to happen. It's just only going to flash, but then you have to turn up your brightness. I'm not really a fan of a warm color, so I think even though it looks really good for some other cinematic videos, it's not that bright, guys. It's really not that bright, but I'm really gonna show you on how it looks with the subject in front of it, like a person, for instance. The reason why I bought the one with these panels is because I need to attach the accessory that I talked about. Maybe we can go ahead and box that, so we can try it on. But I think I should maybe stand in front of the light so you can see the difference of the before and after the diffusing box, which is what we're going to unbox. If you watched my previous video, you probably know this thing, so I think I'm going to link the video at the end of this one. This thing, I think I'm going to use it to attach the light, so I can be able to move it around using the the pivot points of this thing, because here on the light we don't have much to do with how it changes the angles and directions. Yeah, what I did here, I removed the standard one that comes with the light stand. I've replaced it with this one, but I'm not replacing it forever, because I will need to use this for other stuff. And then now we can be able to do things like this to the light, and then we can be able to get more angles like so. I'm pretty sure you can get such a thing with this one, but I don't know. This one, with this one, you can be able to also attach it on your desk if you don't want to use the stand. If you don't want to use the stand that comes with the light. So maybe I can show you quickly on how you can attach this to your tables and other places without using the stand. Went ahead and then I removed the light from the stand so I could attach the clamp. I've unboxed this in the previous video. I also didn't show you how I attach all these accessories into the light, but you can also like watch my previous video to see on how to on many ways how to use these clamps. So I'm gonna show you now how to use a clamp instead of a tripod or the stand. So in situations like this, now I want to attach the light on the bed, what's this, the headboard, because some shots obviously you're gonna need to put your light in some tricky ways in order to get shots for cinematic videos or stuff like that. And that clamp, you don't have to be worried about it because it's really steady, the specific one that I bought. And I think that could be very helpful. These are other things that you can do with this light and the clamp. This is maybe a situation where you would want to film your cinematic vlogs or cinematic videos. And that, guys, leads us to our final product, which I'm mostly excited about. So this is a diffusing box. Let me just go ahead and unbox it so I can show you how it works. It's a mouse as well, which I'm going to do for the next video. So yeah, this is the diffusing box. No, it's not the last package. There's a bonus unboxing for this one, and then this is the one that I'm most excited about. And it comes with straps. So it goes off like that. So you can go ahead and just tuck this in, just to make it extra steady. Some premium ones, they come with magnetic sticks like these ones, so that maybe you can just I feel like this one is more safer. So here's how big it is, and we're gonna go ahead and just put it on our light. I was about to do it in the background, but I think I should show you how to attach it because I was about to mess up. So here's the before. I feel like it's really bright. Now you can see how bright it is because I closed the door. So yeah, the straps, these are the straps. They're the ones that we're going to use to hold the light on the panels, these panels of flaps. So yeah, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 straps. So we're gonna attach them on the flaps, and then they're going to hold the light on the diffuser box. Although you have to keep in mind that this is not the most expensive diffusing box you can get, I also feel like for the price that I've paid, it's cheap. I paid more money for a cheap softbox, so it looks like it's going to tear not so long. So yeah, it works. It does everything that I want it to do, but it's not the best you can get. And also, I think the premium ones, they're also like very expensive, and they don't really sell them around South Africa. But yeah, this one really works, and I feel like it works for smaller light panels than the one that I have. But yeah, so the third item is the camera lenses, phone camera lenses. And the reason why I bought this one is because I wanted the fisheye lens. And if you don't already know, I'm running a brand, personal brand. So the reason why I got this is because I want to always have the fisheye lens on for when I'm shooting content for Choco. So yeah, let me just go ahead and show you the lenses. There are three, but I bought this mainly because I want the fisheye lens. So yeah guys, there you have the fisheye lens, and for me it works properly because I'm not like chasing the camera quality. Maybe I can just enhance the quality of the video on maybe editing. So this is the fisheye lens. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the macro. And for the macro lens, this one is for showcasing products because you can see that the background is blurry, and even if I try maybe to focus, yeah, it does focus. Unfortunately, that's the end of the video guys, so please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.